First hearing on disqualification petition for 5 MLAs who joined BJP after they were elected through JDU tickets was held today by a tribunal constituted by Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly. Further hearing in this matter will be carried out after 4 weeks. Congress and JDU had filed a petition for disqualification of Thangmeiban MLA Kumukjam Joy Krishan, Wangkai MLA Thangjam Arun Kumar, Jiribam MLA Achab Uddin, Tipaimuk MLA Nur Sanglur Sanate, and Churachandpur MLA LM Khaute. Under Rule 6 of Manipur Legislative Assembly disqualification on the ground of Defection Rules 1986 and also under provision of 10th Schedule of Constitution. Speaking on the sidelines, and Bhupendra, who is the Council of Congress petitioner, Hareshwar Goswami, expressed dissatisfaction over delayed registration of the disqualification petition, which was filed in the year 2022, but taken up only this year. However, the hearing could not be continued as there was some disagreement over some MLAs complaining about not receiving relevant documents in connection to this petition hearing. The hearing will resume after 4 weeks. Bhupendra said as per Supreme Court order, the disqualification case had to be resolved within 3 months. However, it is still not sorted out even after 2 years.
2020 Takiba Megachandra ki case Megachandra Singh versus Speaker of Manipur and others within 3 months of the filing of the disqualification petition, Speaker ki tribunal na Madu disposed of whether final decision period of is almost going to be 2 years. 24th October 2024 Maram di Hachiki Temargi Tang Mari 2022 JDU Dagi Karapa MLA Manga BJP da unconstitutionally defect of rare aduna defection of ramina masitin schedule defect of rare aduna maram moy ha mo disqualified to view adu mo MLA o liganu high bus never akoi prayer se kana khara na ngasi wakal na file to yaw adegi matam lo mo respondent ki reply to na ko high adu akoi taraf te within 3 months tal lo hai na Supreme Court judgment hana lai gare 3 months yemur da koi but I count from the day of the filing of disqualification. October 2022. That is 2023.